Hey everyone, it's Josh Wilt, realtor with the Mayo team at Compass Real Estate, and I help people just like you buy, sell, and invest here in coastal Delaware. Welcome to Mitchell's Corner, Hovnanian Homes' newest community located on the east side of Route 1 in Lewes, in a community with resort-style amenities like a 3,500 square foot clubhouse, state-of-the-art fitness center, an outdoor pool with a splash zone, indoor and outdoor pickleball courts, mini golf, volleyball, you name it, they have it. And the best part of it all, you're only a 10-minute bike ride away from Lewes Beach. Now today I'll be taking you on a tour of their model home. This is the Rhodes III right behind me here. This is their duplex product. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, a 2-car garage, and over 3,100 square feet of living space. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Mitchell's Corner or their move-in ready home opportunities, give me a call at 302-752-8927 or send me an email at josh@coastallifede.com, and I would love to chat with you. Now let's get started with the tour. So I'm standing in the heart of the home, this beautiful kitchen. This is where you're gonna spend most of your time with your family and friends enjoying the summer here in coastal Delaware. But I wanted to go over the different designer curated looks packages that Hovnanian Homes offers. So depending on your taste and style, they have a look that'll work for you. They offer the elements, the farmhouse, the loft, and my personal favorite, the classic look, which is what's currently shown in this model. The classic look is timeless, it's classy, it includes those upper glass cabinets there for additional storage space, the light fixtures, the appliances, the countertops, the flooring that you see here in this model. So if you'd like to learn more about the quick move-in home opportunities that they have that are available right now, just like this model here, just in time for this summer, give me a call at 302-752-8927 or send me an email at josh@coastallifede.com, and I would love to chat with you. So let's make your next move your best move and reach out to me today, and let's get started.